In this video, I just wanted to welcome you into my bridal boutique. My name's Caroline Arthur. I'm a bespoke wedding dress designer dressmaker. It's quite nice to be able to see where you're going before you come for an appointment. I'm also conscious that many of you already own a bridal boutique or you're thinking about working in the wedding industry. And as an industry, it can sometimes feel very much sort of behind closed doors. So really this video is to get to know me a little bit, to get to know my store and have a look around. I've got lots of beautiful things to show you. I've got veils, fabric samples, I've got sample dresses. I hope you enjoy the tour. When you first arrive at my boutique, you'll discover you're in the Surrey Hills. It's very leafy, off the beaten track, very private and peaceful. There's an ancient copper beech tree in the entrance to the drive. The couture studio has high vaulted ceilings with white walls and thick wooden beams. This is a room with a view straight out into the forest. The main thing you'll notice when you come inside is the wedding dresses, and plenty of space to move around with big mirrors, and it's flooded with light. I have a separate workspace for sewing, so you don't have to look at all the clutter that comes with storing materials and making dresses. This is intentional, so when you're trying on your wedding dress, you have space to imagine yourself walking down the aisle. If you are thinking of opening your own bridal business and you're going to be doing fittings like I do as a designer, I'd recommend having an area with a really good carpet. I ask my brides to take off their shoes to avoid transferring the countryside onto the wedding dresses during fittings, so everything stays pristinely clean, and the carpet makes it really cosy and comfy for your fitting. There's a large curtained-off fitting room. The main part of the room has 2 double sofas next to a mirror, which is where we do your fitting. There's a selection of gowns from my collection on display to help you design your own dress, organised into separate bodices and skirts, and then there's a rail of fabrics you can choose from. Around the room you'll find gorgeous embellishments, and even my original sewing machine, which I learnt to sew on as a child. So this is the end of my tour of my bridal studio. I hope you've enjoyed it, and this will make you feel a little bit more welcome into the bridal world. Leave me a comment and let me know a little bit more about who you are, whether you're a bride-to-be or whether you already own a bridal boutique, or just someone that loves wedding dresses. And also, if you have any ideas for videos you'd like me to make, just so we can get to know each other better. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.